What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Nokia Comfort Earbuds. Here's the box. This is available at Rs 2,799 and it comes in black and white colors. We have it in white color. Now back to the box. It has Nokia branding and it says Comfort Earbuds. Sleek design, comfort for hours. There's a preview of the earbuds and the case, and it says powerful bass performance. There are some highlights on the side. On the back there is some information. Now let's unbox. First we have the case, next we have a small cover, followed by another small cover, and finally documentation. Now let's see what's inside these. These are extra ear tips, and this is Type-C charging cable. Now this is the case. This is how it looks on the front, and this is how it looks on the back. Let's have a physical overview. On top there is Nokia branding. On the front there is a groove to open the lid, a small button, and an LED indicator. On the sides it's plain. On the back there is a Type-C port. On the bottom there is some information. Now let's open the case. These are the earbuds. Let's remove the tape on it. There's charging pins on the bottom. There's LNR markings on it. And these are the ear tips. On the other side there is Nokia branding, mic, and LED indicators. In the case it has LNR markings and charging pins inside. Now let's look at some specs. It comes with 10mm drivers, has Type-C charging case. It also has IPX5 sweat and water resistance. It has natural ergonomic design with unique comfort ring. It has 330 mAh batteries in the case and 60 mAh batteries in the earbuds. It offers up to 9.5 hours of comfortable listening on one charge, additional 19.5 hours with the charging case, which is pretty great. It also has Bluetooth 5.1 and it easily pairs through the device and automatically switches between one or both earbuds for phone calls. It also has touch controls. Now let's look at pairing. Just take the buds out of the case and search on phone. It will show as Nokia TWS411. Just tap on it and it's paired. Now coming to functionality, you can tap once to play or pause. You can tap and hold for voice assistant. You can double tap on the right to increase volume and double tap on the left to decrease volume. You can triple tap on the right for next track and triple tap on the left for previous track. Now coming to the review, let's look at design and build. Now this is very compact build with smooth matte finish. It looks really good, almost like an egg, but really good egg. It is compact, lightweight, and pretty easy to hold and carry. Even the earbuds are designed in oval shape and it fits in ear pretty nicely. It's also very comfortable for long duration of usage. And the fit in ear is pretty good. Even if you shake your head, it doesn't fall. That's nice. As for audio quality, it is pretty good. And the bass is also good. We can hear the details even at low volumes. I listen to podcasts, songs, and watch some YouTube videos. And overall, audio experience has been great. There is no ANC, but while listening above a certain level, you can't hear the ambient noise easily. So that works out. As for call quality, it is pretty good. Both sides are clearly audible and there is no noise while talking. There's also no distortion in the voice and the signal reception is also good. So calling experience is good. Overall, these earbuds are pretty good, whether it's audio quality, call quality, or even the build. It feels very premium. So what do you think about this? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.